Kabuki, a traditional Japanese theatrical form, boasts over 400 years of history and has garnered international attention through its actors, who exhibit a distinctive style and historical depth. Characterized by vibrant costumes and elaborate makeup, these actors, all male, also perform female roles, a unique aspect known as onagata. This tradition is one of the many cultural fascinations of Kabuki. Kabuki actors use exaggerated gestures, facial expressions, and specific ways of walking and speaking to convey the emotions and personalities of their characters. They demonstrate supreme control over their bodies and voices to narrate complex stories, and their improvisational skills on stage are highly esteemed. For international audiences, Kabuki symbolizes the richness and artistic integrity of Japanese culture. Its combination of movement, music, costumes, and performance communicates stories and emotions through a nonverbal language, captivating people across the globe with its unique form of expression.